Today we're going to be talking about boating superstitions. I don't believe in any of them. I say you make your own luck, whether it's fishing, boating. Don't let any of that ruin your good day, but there's some great stories nonetheless. What are some that you've heard, Keith?
Well, I'm not big into the superstitions either, and we were talking about this before we're going with this video here, but I think everybody knows about bananas on a boat, right? You're not supposed to have bananas on a boat.
No.
Why?
There's 3 stories, and I hope you guys have a lot of time. We're gonna go from the most crazy ones to the one that probably makes the most sense. First one being that, you know, back in the 1700s, there's a cargo ship, and the banana boats, they had to get there quick because down in the hold, bananas go rotten, they ferment, it's bad news. So that happened one time, and all the bananas fermented down below. Somebody lit a match and the ship exploded. Or not. 2, it was another cargo ship in the 1700s or 1600s. Could have been the same one, different one, I don't know. Carrying bananas again, and there was banana spiders on board. The banana spiders got a hold of the crew, ended up biting them all, killing them all, and it's bad luck. 3rd one, which is what I think is the most realistic. Because of these explosive bananas fermenting, right? They had to get there quick, and they used to fish, they used to troll off the back of these boats, transatlantic, trans-Pacific, whatever it is, and they would troll. Except on the banana boats, they were going faster than all the other boats, so the bananas didn't spoil. And they were trolling a little too fast to catch fish. So the banana boats were always the ones that you didn't catch the fish behind. And they said, hey, you can't catch fish on a boat carrying bananas. So that's where those 3 come from. Whichever one you want to believe, leave it up to yourself. I'll bring bananas on the boat. I'll eat bananas while fishing. I don't care. So
I think I've actually seen a captain friend of ours eating a banana, hooking a Snickers bar up to a hook, kept throwing it out, and catch an amberjack on a Snickers bar.
I don't
So anyway, yeah, bananas, they're fine.
The list goes on and on too. I mean, don't step left foot on a boat first. Ironically enough, there's another one, don't step right foot on a boat first. So I don't know, jump on the boat, you name it. Don't leave port on a Friday, that's a popular one. Still a lot of big shrimpers and stuff won't leave on Fridays. The list goes on and on. Go ahead, look it up. Bottom line, make your own luck, be safe, watch an episode of Boating Tips Live or 2, and you'll be in good shape.
So I don't know, Nick, I'm not a big believer in superstitions. So, I mean, I never even heard right foot, left foot, or any of that other stuff. So you guys out there watching this, drop it in the comments or send us an email. If we don't get it, somebody behind the scenes will. What are some of the superstitions you've heard? So thanks for watching, and we will see you guys out on the water.